So what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video on this channel here in Wildpark. And today I have the RF24-105 with me. It's not the best lens for this, but I just want to check it out here. So let's see. I've taken a few photos, you can see them right now. And I hope we will get some more cool shots. Just a spontaneous idea here to record this video, but so what? Let's try it out. Hopefully we'll find some more animals. That would be really nice. Of course, this isn't real wildlife photography because you see here are fences and so on. But mostly I'm here just to check out the RF24-105 again. And let's see how it turns out. Let's deactivate the silent shutter so we can sync up the photos. I really like the silent shutter, especially if you want to take photos of a wedding or so and you're in a church. That's perfect. You don't bother anyone. But for videos like these here, the click of the camera is always good, so you can put out the pictures in time. Oh, that looks nice. I think most of the animals here are currently at the starting point there where I took these photos. But let's hope we can find some more. I really love this place here. A better option for this would be the 70-200, but currently I don't have one, so we need to make the best out of this situation with the 24-105. And the first photos where the animals were close to me, I really enjoyed taking these photos with the 24-105, but again the 70-200 would be way better. So let's see what's up down there. Hopefully some more animals. Because currently there aren't any animals here. We can hear some, but yeah. There are some people. But hey, so what? It's all about the photos and this video here. little bit closer.